In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add a product in Wix. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix dashboard, which should look something like this, and then head over to the left hand side of the screen where you'll see the side menu right here. From the side menu, I want you to go to catalog and hover over it, and then I want you to hover over store products and then go to products. Now, once you've clicked on it, on the top right hand side here, you will see new product. Click on this button, and then here you have to choose whether the product you want to add is physical or a digital file. In my case, I'm going to do a physical product. Once you've done that, wait for this to load, and here you're going to have to fill out all the product information, such as the description, the name, the ribbon if you want to, and then here you can add some images and videos, obviously the price, whether you want the product on sale, and a bunch of different options that I will leave up to you. Once you have entered all the information about the product, simply click on the save button right here, and then your product will automatically be added to your Wix store. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a product in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.